thank you for calling Natural Hair Supermodel Beauty Salon. How may I help you? In my last video, I mentioned the importance of creating clean parts. However, when I did that video, I used this comb. You really need to use this comb in order to create your clean parts, which I did have this comb, I just didn't even really think of it. So you need to use this comb, the rat tail comb, in order to ensure that your parts are as clean as possible. Because this tool at the end, of course, will help you. So if you don't know that, now you know. Hello? Yes, thank you for calling Natural Hair Supermodel Beauty Salon. How may I help you? Yes, I'm calling to confirm my hair appointment. Did you already do your consultation with me? We did have our consultation. Oh, okay, so what's your name? Okay, let me just look in my books really quick. Okay, yeah, so I do see you and I have you down for 3 p.m. So we did talk about the 4 to 12 parts, right? Okay, so which one are you picking? 6 braids? So make sure that you have finger detangled your hair and you did do the 6 braids, and then I guess I'll see you then. It should help us run a lot smoother. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much for confirming your appointment. I really appreciate that. Okay, see you then. Okay, see you then. It's important that you and your stylist have a channel of communication. Make sure that you are making it as easy as possible for your stylist. By accepting this challenge where we are separating or parting our hair into sections, anywhere from 4 to 12 sections, is going to make this process so much easier. So I hope that you accept this challenge and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.